Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get Orchid Mantis and grow a garden game of Roblox new Easter update. Okay, let's get into it guys. If you want to get the Orchid Mantis, you need to join this event, Evil Bunny event. You can talk to this Evil Bunny and you're going to do what he asks. Basically, he will ask you to destroy one of your plants. Once you click I'll do it, he will ask you to destroy the plant that he won. And for the reward, you will have chance to get this Orchid Mantis, but it's pretty rare, so maybe you need to do this event many times until you get the Orchid Mantis. But the quest is not that really hard. For example, now I need to destroy my paradise petal, so just use the shuffle like this, and I'm going to destroy my paradise petal. Okay, and I'm going to go back to the evil bunny, but I think for the paradise petal it will not give me the Orchid Mantis. I think if we want to get the Orchid Mantis, we need to destroy most valuable plant in our garden. Okay, let's see what we get. Okay, I got 100 chocolate coins. But yeah, we can try it until we get the Orchid Mantis. Okay guys, and that's how we can get Orchid Mantis in Grow a Garden game of Roblox in Easter update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.